So they are standard 48-inch pallet forks. They're 4,000-pound rated tines. Everything on this is reinforced to be heavy duty. I've got guys flipping full cord kiln baskets with these, and they do them very often. So they've been standing the test of time to date. When we sell these, again, it does come with that support bracket, and the support arm does mount. It slides in through here. You use the same pin to lock it into position down there. We do ship it with the hoses, the heavy-duty wrap, and the flat face regular skid steer couplers are all included. We just have to get them shipped from the fab shop to us, or we can ship straight out to you. That's the only mystery that I don't know would be where you're located to work on that shipping quote. And these do just go the standard 180. They don't go 360. There's really no reason for that, and that's why these are $4,800 versus $8,000. It just has a cylinder down here and an S-cam that works on a big pivot, and everything spins around for flipping these totes or the kiln baskets. So let me set the tripod up, and then we'll empty these 4 IBC totes for a full cord of firewood in the back of the Ram 4500. right, just wanted to do a short, sweet, and to the point video this morning. So these are our rotating pallet forks, as you saw in the video. The second basket that kind of kept creeping down, that was on me. I forgot that with this skid steer, all of the flow goes to the auxiliary, so I was trying to curl back and rotate the basket at the same time. That's why the basket was drifting down. That was on me. So again, with these rotating pallet forks, support arm included, 48-inch tines, standard skid steer mounting plate, the flat face couplers, hoses, and the wrap. We're going to call that done at $4,800 plus shipping, because I don't know where you guys are located yet. So that's why I want you to call me, which is 833-SPLITTER. It's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com, and we'll get you a price on the unit, shipped to your door. You can always pick it up here at our wood yard. A lot of folks did that. We just had one gentleman, Tyler, came all the way down here from Maine and took home a used processor. So if we can ever earn your business with that sales quote, we'd love to talk to you in person, because we do have such a broad range of products, from the pallet forks here, the log lift bags that you see in the background, the Halverson stuff that's over here in the corner, the brute force stuff that's behind me, and the AM machinery trailer that's off camera, and the SplitForce vertical splitters that are also off camera. Again, lots of options, lots of different models. Would love to talk to you and build you a custom quote that meets both the budget need and your production needs for what you have going on. We do use everything that we sell, so I kind of have the inside track versus just thumbing through a catalog trying to go, oh yeah, on page this, it's so many thousands of dollars, and go from there. And would love to help you build a custom quote so it meets your needs. So give us a phone call, shoot us that email. Do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you can stay up to date on everything we have going on. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.